I should have wrote this with a Monty grab a pen. Dropped the title at the top. Caught a modern rapper sings. Cause I almost jotted words that came from secrets deep within, but that'd be much more than a verse. That'd be a waste of all this gin. Is there some God in me? God in me, trying to be. A reflection is something bigger than man, like I'm imagining something. Who holds the title of the current incumbent? Memphis his greatest lyricist, fuck that thong, cause that bitch know that I'm coming. It's human nature. It's human nature. Say, my eyes have seen the glory of He. I send my wishes up and then He watch out for me. And I don't see that this time around will go differently. This hurting dreams, hopefully I hear the rain when I sleep. I laid to rest, but I still want disease. Been claiming me insomniac since 2017, so I lie awake around me sprinting against the cost of race to hop the hurdle so that she carry my neck to a golden medal. I take a glimpse in your face, I'm back to the highest level. But in the midst of this space, the gravity pulls me down. I grab your hand, having hope you gon' pull me up, but my efforts reckless. Strength in my grip is cause you reach up and swing to the heavens. Only rock bottom to me with dust, and we won't go separate. Wherever you land is why I fight the dust, and that's a promise. So I gotta be honest about my knowledge of goals. I had a pocket full and gave them to hoes. Now I'm stingy with them since I've been grown. But let me give you two that haven't mentioned. You can take these words like take my hand, no, then we can go far away from here. And if you need some space, you can take it and make it feel. By the name of Kengdom, you know what I'm saying? Coming live from Brunel Studios right here in Memphis, Tennessee. I want to give a big shout out to the good people of Arkansas Inc. I want to give a big shout out to my boy Kai Black, Blackhawk, and Lord Josh. You know what I'm saying? Taking care of the visuals, you know what I mean? Getting a nice presentation to you. Straight at the soul. We got Kayla G here on the vocals. We got Pruitt here on the drums. We got Kori, Wallace here on the keys. You know what I'm saying? Coming straight out the South. South always got something to say. You know what I'm saying? Want to appreciate, show appreciation to everybody who's watching, who's listening, however you tuning in. You know what I mean? Always want to show that appreciation, show that love that you're showing us. Shout out to my boy G, we flew out the double making this happen. You know what I'm saying? Signing off.